Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how my hair transformed back to being its curly natural self from being completely heat damaged and like a full out mess. So if you want to see how I achieved my wash and go, then please keep watching. First I started off by washing my hair with this Palmer's coconut butter and biotin shampoo and conditioner. Then I deep conditioned my hair with the Shea Moisture Manuka honey and Mafura oil intensive hydration hair mask. I did this for about 30 to 45 minutes with a cap over my head. So I'm just going to section my hair into 4 because that'll make it easier for me to work with. Next I'm just going to spray my hair because it's better to do it when it's like really wet. Next I'm going to use this Palmer's coconut butter and biotin leave-in conditioner and just spray this all over the section as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. This is like their most popular and it smells so good. I'm just going to use just a little bit. Maybe a little bit more. Then I'm going to just detangle it a little bit. It's already detangled mostly, but just to make sure I got some of the knots out. So I'm finished with this section right here, and I'm just going to repeat this over all 4 sections. So now that my hair is detangled and it has the styler in it, now I'm going to go in with the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Gel Souffle. What I did was put some in my hands and I'm just going to rub it just like this. I'm just going to scrunch this hair up to help out the curls. So at this point, if you wanted to diffuse your hair, you could, or you can just go about your day. I like to air dry my hair. I'm trying to do like no heat on it because, you know, I've gone through this whole heat damage situation, and I'm actually surprised that my hair can actually curl on its own. Like, that's a whole story. I got a video on it. But I'm going to let my hair air dry and come back and show you the finished result in a couple of hours. So, and here is the final result. This is just air drying. I didn't pick it. All I did was actually go like, I guess I picked it with my fingers, but this is it. If you watched my other video on if I should transition or not, I was ready to cut all my hair off. Like back to when I first did my very first big chop. I don't know if I have a picture. If I do, I'll insert it. But I was ready to go super, super short. But I have been actually trimming it. Like this piece is not curling either. A little over a week ago when I came back from Mexico, I did cut the right here. I guess now I have bangs, but I didn't cut all the way on to see how it would look on the second time I did a wash and go, which is pretty much better, but I feel like I have to like cut this much so these stringy pieces aren't hanging. Clearly I cut more on this side than I did on this side. I wanted to be cautious first because you can always remove, but you can't get it back. So I wanted to make sure it would be even. I know if I was to straighten my hair would be a whole mess because I actually was trimming around here. Actually, you can see I don't have those hanging pieces that I did once upon a time because one day I was tired of washing my hair and seeing curls and then pieces of straight hair just chilling on my shoulders. So I went and got my scissors and I just chopped it off because I was just fed up. That's basically what happens like sometimes. Sometimes at work, I'm sitting there and I see a piece just hanging and I'll take my scissors and just cut it. Like that's all I've been doing is like trimming my hair. And I think maybe that's why my hair is going back to like the curly fro. Also, I've been drinking a lot of water, like a lot of water. I just want you to see my curl pattern. Like you can see that it's like super loose here, but you know, these curls are like back to what they once were, which is so great. I just like love that my curls are coming back. All I needed to do was trim some of these dead ends. See, like this one is really getting to me. Like I'm so tempted to take my scissors and just cut it off, but maybe I'll just apply some product. Also, I think it took for me to go to Mexico to get this fro back, because before Mexico, I tried to do a wash and go and I was out in these streets looking like a fool. I let my hair air dry. I ran to Target. By the time I came back, it didn't look like this. I don't know, but I also didn't use the same products. I'm trying to remember what I used. I may have used the Curly Hansen smoothie, but I definitely didn't use the gel souffle. That I actually bought when I came back from Mexico because my friend had it there and I used some of it after I got out of the ocean. I did like a wash and go over there and it defined my curls. Everything just sprung up. I was like, maybe I should have got this a long time ago. My hair absolutely loved it. I read reviews first. People saying that it like weighs their hair down or it's like sticky. I don't know. It's not doing that for me. And a little bit does go a long way. You don't need to like slather your hair in it. I just, like I showed you guys, just rub some on each half and it's fine. It's not even crunchy either because I guess it's not like a gel. It's kind of like a jelly. I don't know. It works. I recommend it. You should go out and try it. But again, a little goes a long way. Don't put a whole glop in your hair because then maybe it will be sticky. And I would recommend doing it on like really wet hair. Like don't do it on dry hair. People are probably doing that too. And that's why it's sticky. Do it on wet hair. Let it dry. You'll be good to go. So that completes this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. And I'll see you guys in the next one.